now.
Salut mes amis, Jenny here from harmonyandelevation.com. Welcome back to my channel. We're back in the kitchen today. We're going to be making one of my favorite DIY recipes, which is a facial toner with witch hazel, apple cider vinegar, and lemon. If you're new here, click on that subscribe button and ring that bell when you're done so that you can know when we drop another video like this. And to all my oldies but goodies, welcome back. We're about to make a facial toner. It's really good for your skin. And so let's go to the kitchen and start cooking. I lie, we're not gonna cook anything. So for this toner, we're going to need apple cider vinegar. I'm using the Bragg, the one with the mother. ACV is great for your skin because it has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. It balances the pH of your skin. And then we're going to be using witch hazel. The brand doesn't matter. Witch hazel is a natural astringent which helps to remove excess oil and dirt on the skin, giving the skin a matte appearance. So it's ideal for oily or acne prone skin. It hydrates, moisturizes. So whilst it's fighting acne, it's also doing wonders for your skin, keeping it even toned. Lemon is known mostly for its detoxifying effects. It's rich in vitamin C and this citric acid called alpha hydroxy acid, which helps to break down dead skin cells that can lead to the formation of blackheads. So lemon is good. Matter of fact, it's great for your skin because of its high pH level. Lemon can help decrease inflammation and oil that may contribute to the formation of acne. So on their own, these ingredients are powerful, but together, oh my god, they're magical and they will cleanse, moisturize, and tone your skin. So let's get started. I've already squeezed my lemon. So this is my lemon juice. I'm going to use like a 1-to-1 ratio. You can say I'm using, okay, 2 tablespoons of lemon, 2 tablespoons of my witch hazel, and same for the apple cider vinegar. Shake it a little bit. Two tablespoons. So that's it. Very easy, but have amazing effects on your skin. So just make sure you have a clean bottle to store it. I usually just mix enough for the week. And I keep it on my countertop in my bathroom, but you can keep it in your fridge. Because I make such a small amount, it's not going to go bad before I'm done. So I keep it on my countertop. I haven't had a problem with it going bad. So I'm going to wash my face and show you guys how I apply this. I use it twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. So my face is freshly washed and I'm going to apply the toner. Now what I like about this, we know that, I'm using a cotton pad. We know that when we wash our face, especially those of us who wear makeup, our cleanser doesn't really get everything off our skin. So this will get everything what's left behind. I apply this, I wipe everywhere. Smells really good. You can smell the lemon. See? We're going to use the second one. If not, it's clean now. And now I moisturize. Just a regular, good old moisturizer. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. And once you're done, please ring that bell so you'll know when I drop another video like this. And thank you for watching. Come back soon. See you in the next video. Love you guys. Mwah.